Hi, in this video, we will show you how to disable antivirus for temporary on Windows 11. First, you can type antivirus, then please click the antivirus and select Manage Settings in here, and the real-time protection, please disable for temporary. You can just click this. After that, the most important thing, you can also disable the temper protection. Sometimes, some applications require this also to disable for off, and this optional for cloud default protection and automatic sample submission. After your computer is restarted, this setting will back on. So that's all tutorial how to disable antivirus on Windows 11 for temporary. Hope this video helpful for you.